Tesla update here on the 3rd. So we hit the spot that I was talking about yesterday in the video to basically exactly where I wanted to buy. And so I bought down here, sold a little bit up here, still holding some down here because I think this is still going up here to 258 at some point. This looks like a impulse move to me. So I have this as 1 or A. So the key here to figuring out what's going to happen is, will this hold 241.50? If it does not hold 241.50, then we know it is not an impulse move. We know it is a B wave. So if it's a B wave, then it can still come up here to 258, but it would be an expanded flat. If it does hold 241.48, then it can be a 5-wave move. It could be and go higher than that. So I'm going to be watching that 241.50 area. If it comes down here, I'd be very surprised if it broke 238, especially when you look at how this has moved down. It's chopped down, so it's basically being forced down. And so any move down here is just going to be a buying opportunity going into Robotaxi, in my opinion. So I think 258 is likely to hit over the next week or so. What could this be right here? This could be a lot of different things. This could be, so this could be right here, B wave, and then have a C wave back down. It looks to me like it's going to be in a lot of chop over the next couple of days, maybe into the end of the day tomorrow. And yeah, there's a lot of different ways it could play out. It could play out like this too. It could be a triangle. It could be, we could be starting a triangle of some sort, and then moving up here after the triangle is finished. So watch the lows. Let's see what happens. Neither one of these have hit the demand zone yet. So Tesla, QQQ have not hit the demand zone. I was thinking that this was a truncated 5th wave. Could be the 4th wave ended right here. So don't be surprised if this comes all the way down here to 476 to 474. If that happens, then I would say Tesla is probably going to break below 241.50, and that probably means it's going to fill the gap at 239 finally. But I do think that it'll turn into being an expanded flat like that. So that's my thoughts on it. QQQ is potentially coming down right now. Let's see what happens. But you know what? They're both like in balance right now. So this has got to break below the initial low at 479.38, and Tesla's got to break below. Tesla's actually below the initial low. So it's actually more bearish than QQQ right now. But again, that could change really quickly. There's a lot of puts at 245 for tomorrow. So I don't know. A lot of chop going on right now, but I expect 258 to hit before Robotaxi next week.